Hey you guys, we are in Illinois right now visiting some family, and we left most of our trucks at home. So we found this thrift shop in the town that we're gonna go check out, see if we can find any big trucks in here for us to play with while we're in Illinois.
Yeah!
The name of this shop is called the Etc. Shop. Isn't that a clever name, Corbin?
Yeah!
It's like, I'm hoping it means cars, trucks, and monster trucks, etc., 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 are what they have in there. So let's go find out what they have. Ready? Gotta be careful of the ice. Let's see what they got in here. Right here. Oh, there's some toys. What do they have right there?
Mommy,
Ian?
what's this one?
What's that one? Oh, that's from Bug's Life. You haven't seen that, I don't think. They have a little Yoshi here.
What is it? I don't know what this is. Oh, a dinosaur.
Oh no, he's gonna eat me! Oh no! Oh, wait, I got my own dinosaur. Rawr. Oh no, don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! These are all snow pants, cool. Alright, they got lots of dolls here. Cool dolls.
More dolls. Baby dolls now. Look, I'll do more toys.
Oh, over here. Lots of books.
Oh, books.
Whoa! Cars. Oh, it's a comic book of cars.
Mater.
Mater. Yeah, that's cool.
I'll go to more things.
Yeah, come over here. Let's see what's over here.
Oh, look at this.
What is that?
That's
Whoa! What kind of truck is that?
I don't know. What is this?
What is this thing, though? Oh, it's a grill. It's for grilling. Is that a monster truck?
Yeah.
Steel Striker. Oh, it's only 70 cents. Do you want to get that?
No,
You don't want to get this monster truck? Look, they have another one, 50 cents. We can get another monster truck. Oh, that's funny.
Look at this.
Oh, can you sit on that spin?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay. Ready. Now spin. There you go. Faster. Faster.
I can do it. Hey, I got that thing. Look at this. Put it like this.
It's a helmet. We don't need that. You have a helmet already.
Look, I have a face. Look,
Well, that's a really cool thing with whatever this is. But it's way too big though. We can't. We have to fit it in our suitcase to go back.
Bottoms. Oh, look at this.
What bottoms?
Those are paddles.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Is that a Spider-Man motorcycle? Yeah, it's Spider-Man's motorcycle. Here, put the helmet on before you spin, in case you fall off. What do we see?
This car. Oh, the dump truck. Right?
Is it a dump truck?
Yeah.
Does it work? Can you?
Caterpillar Tower.
Does it work?
Let's go. Caterpillar Tower.
Doesn't seem to be working. You see this one?
I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, look at that engine! I think this one's supposed to ride too, but it's not. Oh. It is driving.
Hey,
All right, Corbin, what'd you get at the store?
I don't know.
You don't know what you got?
We'll see what we got in the car, okay?
Okay, when we get to the car, we'll open it up and see what we got.
Yeah. Is that mine? Go.
Find them.
Kids, you know what we got, kids?
They're gonna find out with you.
With me.
Okay. All right, Corbin, what did we find at the Etc. shop?
We found monsters.
Okay, so we got, let's take a look. We got We got one monster truck here, and 2 monster trucks.
And bug.
We got this silly bug from It's a Bug's Life. Oh, these were 2 for 25 cents. So these cost 25 cents. We got this other little dinosaur transformer thing. Maybe it's Power Rangers. I'm not sure what that's from. So, and we got this frisbee. So these were 50 cents for all 4 of those things. That is a great deal. And then we got these monster trucks, and this is a Thomas the Train set. And we're gonna test it out to see if it actually works. I'm not sure if it will or not, but we're gonna try it out. A little bit later, we'll make another video with that train set. But we got all of this train set, these toys, and these 2 monster trucks for $5. That's it, $5, Corbin. That was a good deal, huh?
So can you also see how this goes?
Yeah, they're gonna see how it goes in another video. We're gonna open it up and try it out. All right, let's go ahead and open up these monster trucks and see how they work. All right, got this one out. This is the Steel Striker. It's a Hot Wheels monster truck. How does he work?
It goes.
Oh, it's a nice one. Okay, and let's open up this other one.
This one.
Can you rip it open? Okay. Oh, what's the name of that one?
I don't know.
This is the King of the Hill. Oh, this one's tall. Look how tall that one is. Let's look at. Oh. All right. You want to go crush some stuff?
No, I want to go crush some stuff.
All right. Here we go. What are we gonna drive on? Oh no! It's a dinosaur. Look out!
I will save you.
Oh, help me! Oh no!
Oh, no. It's a bug.
Dinosaur's chasing me!
And dinosaur chasing me.
Oh, the dinosaur can't get over the frisbee. Oh, there's a damn beetle chasing me! Oh, good thing he's slow. Oh no, the dinosaur! Ah, run away! Oh, the dinosaur's chasing me! Oh, the dinosaur can fly! What do I do? He can fly! Ah, the cat's eating me now! Alright, let's go!
Who's gonna get me?
Oh, the dog's fighting me. Oh, stay back. Oh, he jumped at me. Oh, he's jumping at me. Oh, no. Ah. It's a cool monster truck. It's got double exhaust here. Got a spare tire on the back. It's really high up off the ground there.
Pop.
You don't have to get all your toys brand new. You can buy really cool toys for very cheap at a thrift store. So maybe find a local thrift store where you live and see what you can find. All right, thanks for shopping with us. See you later. Bye.
Bye.